Welcome back guys, and in this video we are going to see that what are data types in Python. Okay, so let me read out this first for you and I will teach you over here. So do not worry that I am not writing the codes now. I will write the code and execute it live in front of you over this video. Okay, so let me read out first and the theoretical part should be covered, right? So data types, data types represent the different kind of values that we can store on the variable. Okay, so for example, there is a variable. Okay, there's a variable and we are giving it a value of 20. So this is integer data type. We are giving it a value true, so this is boolean data type. We are giving it a value in double inverted commas and we are providing hello people inside that. So this is a string data type. So data types are the different values that can be stored in a variable. Okay, so the basic data types of Python programming language are, this should be R, right? Let me write here R. So language R: number, string, dictionary, set, list, tuple. Okay, so there are 6 types: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so number, integer. Okay, integer, float, can be anything. Okay, and then string, you already know. So dictionary, set, list, and tuple, I think this is new for you. So I'll be teaching everything. Okay, everything: number, string, dictionary, set, list, and tuple. Okay, in Python, we do not need to specify the data type. We have already seen that whether we declare the data type or not, no problem. Python is able to detect itself that what kind of data type it is being provided to a variable, right? We have already seen. I'll explain you everything right over here. So based on the value, data types are allocated automatically. We have seen this, right? For example, you give a is equals to 20, then the data type integer will be given to a. For example, if you write a is equals to 12.34, data type float will be given to a. Okay, so therefore Python is a dynamically typed language. Okay, this is typed. Python is a dynamically typed language. So Python is a dynamically typed language. What is a statically typed language? Statically typed language is like, for example, Java. You need to declare everything. Int a is equals to, float a is equals to, string a is equals to. Every time you need to write the data type. That is a statically typed language. Okay. So variable is the name of a. So what is a variable? First, let me tell you. Variable is a name of a memory location where we can store different types of values. Okay. So variable is nothing but a name of a memory location where we can store different type of values. Okay, and we have already seen the type function. Okay, type function, it will be used here, so that is why I have to teach it over here in the theory. Okay, type function, we have already seen that it is used to give the data type of a given value, so now let us code and tell you. You'll get everything, what is type and all and all. Okay, so do not worry. Okay, so just wait. Piece of code opening, right? So for example, if I write a is equals to Ankit. Okay, and then I am printing print a, oh sorry, a, sorry, yeah, running this particular code, you can see Ankit got printed. Now let me tell you the type of a. Okay, so print type a. So what this type function gives us, that is what I was telling you, it gives the data type of this a variable. Okay, type function returns the data type of the given value or variable. Okay, running this, see, a belongs to class string. Okay, a, basically what the real line is, the real line is that a belongs to class string and a is the object of the class string. Okay, but you can simply say a is a, having a data type of string. Okay, a is a string type. Now for example, if I write b is equals to 10, b is equals to 10, and then I'll write here print b, and then I'll write here print type b. Okay, so it will tell you data type of b also. Now you can see that b is printed as 10 and then integer class. Okay, b belongs to integer class and b is an object of integer class. Okay, so let me move forward. For example, if I write here now, wait, I'll write here only. Okay, I've written separately over here, you can just go and read, but I'll write here in one piece of code only. Okay, so now I'm changing value of b to 10.23 and then I'm printing b and then type of b, you can see float. Now it is of the float class. Okay, now B belongs to float class and B is an object of float class. So B is having a data type of float. So you can see that we are never providing float B. Am I writing here float B? No, no, right? But Python is itself figuring out that what is the data type of the variable. So it is a dynamically typed language. One more type I would like to tell you. For example, if I write here uh, um, 12 plus 12 plus 5j, saving it. So if I write 12 plus 5j, then I run it, it will come out as complex data type. Okay, complex data type. I don't think you have seen it in Java, or if you have studied any other language, maybe you have seen, but I don't think so. So this is a complex data type. Okay, so now let us come to list, set, dictionary, and tuple. Okay, okay. So you have seen the integer, float, string, right? For example, number. What were the kind? Number, string. Now let me tell you dictionary, set, list, and tuple. So first we will start with the list data type. Okay. So list data type is nothing but, in order to provide a list, you just need to write a variable and then equate it with these square bracket. This is basically a list. Okay. This is basically a list. For example, if I print the type of a type of type sorry type of a, saving it and then running it, a is coming as list, right? A is coming as list. So this is nothing but an empty list. Okay, whenever you write a square bracket, it is a list. Now we can provide values inside a list, and this is denoted by square bracket. Please remember it, and it allows duplicate values. List allows duplicate values. I have written over here. Just wait. uh, I'm showing you, do not worry. Okay, see, denoted by square bracket, and it allows duplicate values. Okay, so coming back, for example, if I write 10 over here and then Shivansh over here, Shivansh over here, and then I'm writing here 20 over here, and then 40 and hello, right? And then I'm uh, print a, running it, and now a will be printed. See, list has been printed in a format of list. Okay, so this is what list is. And even if I provide it 20 once again, 20 once again will be printed. See, it allows duplicate values. Okay, so this was list. Now let me come over tuple. Okay, tuple. So what is tuple? Tuple data type is nothing but it is noted by, for example, C is equals to, and then parenthesis. Okay, this is parenthesis. So if you just write it over here like this, so this is a tuple. Okay, and here also duplicate values are allowed. Okay, in tuple duplicate values are allowed. So if I write here 10, 20, 30, Shivansh, 20, and I'm running this. Oh, sorry, I've not printed. Print C. Run this, and you can see that, see, output came, and 20, 20. Okay, duplicate values are allowed. Duplicate values are simply allowed in tuple. Uh, so now let me move forward and then show you the set data type. So what is the difference between list and tuple? Separate videos are created for that. Do not worry. I'll tell you what is the difference. You must be thinking that okay, everything is same, just the bracket difference. Is that it? No. It's not like that. I'll be telling. Okay, so now we are coming to the set data type. So what is set data type? For example, I'm creating D is equals to, and then we will use curly braces. Okay, curly braces. This is a set data type. Okay, and it does not allow duplicate values. Remember it, set does not allow duplicate values. I'm writing here Shivansh, and then 10 and 20, and then comma Pandey, and then running it. You can see here, uh, um, I'm not printed. print D. I'm sorry for that silly mistake. Okay, print D. See, it got printed. Okay, 10 Pandey, 20 in Shivansh. One important thing, can you see the order in which I have provided the input? The output is not coming like that. So this is also a feature of set, that the order is not preserved. Okay, insertion order, the order in which you inserted the data in the set, it is not preserved in the output. 10 is at the index, which index? One, first index. Okay, the index starts from 0 and then it goes on. For example, this is 0th index, first, second, third, sorry, third, fourth. Okay, so this is the 0th index, this is the first index, third, sorry, second and third index. Okay, so now here 10 is at the first index, but here it is at the 0th index. Here Pandey is at the third index, 0, 1, 2, 3, but here it is at the first index. So input we have provided at some other index and the output is coming at some other index. This is known as insertion order is not preserved in set, and duplicate values are also not allowed. For example, if I write here 10 once again and then run it, error will be coming for sure. Okay, okay, error did not come, but what happened, I do not know why error is not coming, but it printed 10 only once. You can see we have 210 over here, right? It printed only 110. Okay, this should have been giving an error, but I think Google Colab has something different kind of a working atmosphere. Okay, so if I write Pandey once again, you can see only one Pandey will be, oh sorry, only one Pandey will be printed. Running it once again and Pandey, okay, only one Pandey is printed. Right, so this is what basically set is. Duplicate values are not allowed, insertion orders are not preserved. Now coming over the dictionary data type, right? So in dictionary, we also use, curly braces, and then we provide a key value pair in this. So I'm writing here age. In the single inverted, you can write age, and then a colon we need to give. Colon we need to give, for example, 21, or I guess you are 21 years old, or something. Okay, so age is equals to 21, and then give a comma, and you can write here name, and again single inverted, name is equals to let's say Shivansh. What's the matter? Oops, equals to, sorry, we need to provide a colon, right? So remember that we need to provide a colon. Okay, and then I have to print a, printing a, see, it got printed in the format of key value pair. Okay, it also does not allows duplicate value. Okay, let me provide a duplicate value. Age is equals to 34, sorry, colon. Okay, I'm writing is equals to once again and again. So okay, see, updated age came, 21 got vanished, and the last input which we gave to the age key, this is key, right? Age is a key and the value is 34, that got updated and it got printed, but duplicate values are not printed. Okay, so age is equals to 21, or age colon 21 is not printed, age is printed as 34. Okay, so this is what dictionary is. So I hope that all the data types in Python are clear to you. You can just go over the notes, and then you can just read everything about data types. Okay, and you can revise, and you can also code. Okay, you can also code yourself, right? So I think this will help you, and we'll be moving to list, and we'll be detailing list a lot in the next video. Okay, so till then, keep watching, keep the excitement on,